Hello everyone, this is Two Ladies in a Dress Adventures. I finally got her up and out so we can do the taste testing.
You're the one watching anime all day. What do you mean I'm waiting? I'm waiting!
I told you after my anime, then I will record it. And now it is time, and you ignored it.
No, I didn't. Quit touching me.
Okay, as I
You
was
do not
saying,
point at me.
as I was saying, this is sibling rivalry right here, and
You already got me first. How was that fair?
Well, today we are taste testing this. It's original. It has a dragon. It's supposed to be a dragon fruit mango juice cocktail. And Dad said we should shake this up, so. And you said you wanted to look at it?
No,
It's-
now that you've shaken it up, I'm scared of it.
It's a tea, Dad said.
It's in a can, though.
I know it looks like a soda. I am thinking of that, too. Dad said to shake it up, okay? You can look at it.
I'm scared.
You'll have to tell her that when you get home, Dad.
Okay, it actually says shake well. You want to do it like that so the stuff at the bottom gets, you know.
Hey,
What?
We open it on camera.
You didn't open it on camera for the last one. And it's
That
my turn.
one you had to push on it.
My turn.
My turn to do it first. You did it last time.
You do not look my face.
Smells pretty good too.
Drink it already!
Wah, wah, wah. Shut your mouth, or I won't. And I'd keep it all to myself.
What?
She's
It's
trying
not
to flip
me.
the finger.
What?
She's not supposed to
Hey,
flip
you
the
agreed
finger.
to that. You agreed to that.
I
It's not
did.
doing it if you
I
just
did.
put it in between your
So
fingers.
it's both of our problems. Once Dad gets home. Oh well.
Okay, we'll just cut that one out, okay?
Not bad. Mine.
Interesting. Not what I expected, but it's definitely fruity and it's not bad. Give it back, you thief. What? You just snatched it from me. Not fair.
9 out of 10.
Yee! I'll do 8. At least 7.8. And what do
And
we
this
say
time
at
we
the
say-
end of the video?
And this time we saved some for Dad.
Girl, I don't know what happened to the rest of the
I
other
don't know
ones.
either. We
Okay.
both drank it. Okay.
I guess. I
Yeah.
don't know.
We don't remember. Sorry, Dad. Have a blessed day. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.